सुबह से उठ के रात तक आई हैव सीन हर कुकिंग फॉर द होल फैमिली. शी वॉज माई इंस्पिरेशन. उसने मेरे को बोल के रखा था कि ये इट्स गोइंग टू बी वेरी हार्ड. लाइक किचन इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव सेड फॉर मी. So I've been cooking like since I was in 8th standard. So मम्मी पापा घर पे नहीं रहते थे. So I used to do some experiments. My first recipe was bread pakoda. So I was like very keen about cooking. So this place took at least 6 months to come to this stage, and it's been like honor to say कि बाबा मैंने कुछ किया है. So Korean was not my domain, but still because of the trend I added Korean dishes to the menu. We have corn dogs and stuff like that. Spark as such मेरे ज़िंदगी में was my दादी, because she is one of the best cooks I've ever seen. Of course मम्मी को भी भूलना नहीं चाहिए. मम्मी is also good cook. Yeah, so she is like सुबह से उठ के रात तक I have seen her cooking for the whole family. She was my inspiration. And उसने मेरे को बोल के रखा था कि ये it's going to be very hard. Still I have that thing in me कि I want to do this and take this brand to a next level. Yeah, so full-time thing as in कि see I love this place. I love the way the kitchen is set, क्योंकि मैंने ही सेट किया वो पूरा किचन. So जो चीज़ों में तुमको ऑलरेडी like the things that you are passionate about, उसके लिए you won't feel कि अरे कल सुबह उठ के फिर से जाके वही सेम चीज़ करना है. So ऐसा सेट करने के लिए तो मेरे पास बहुत कुछ चीज़ है, बट दिस इज़ लाइक वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग. लाइक किचन इज़ वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग दैट आई हैव सेड फॉर मी. So first set of customers, main thing is तो तुम्हारा quality that I have maintained for at least now 4 to 5 months. तो अगर तुम quality of ingredients के साथ लोगों को attract कर सकते हो, like of course taste matter करता है. Again offers run करके, Google ads run करके या Instagram through, but main thing is तुम्हारा quality of ingredients is what I feel loyal customers को like to get them back again to have the food. Main thing is तो तुम्हारा licensing. So considering all the government license तुमको बहुत सारे लगते हैं यहाँ पे. to any restaurant को चलने के लिए you need set of licenses. At a point I felt कि I'm not going to get any sort of licenses to run the place, and then I was like कि shit कुछ तो होने वाला है. But still things came align, and I got the license for this place. तभी that was like at least 2 to 3 months I was going through that phase, but now it's like happiest moment was on 28th of October when I started the place. I like बड़ा कुछ launch वगैरह नहीं किया. We just started the place. People started coming in, and first customer was like 2 kids जो लोग आए थे. I gave them food for free, and I felt कि अरे चलो आज वही तो एक आया customer. So Adi's, like when I discovered this name, पहले बहुत सारे names ऐसे दिमाग में आए थे. Like there was Silly Sumo, there was Woke and like Woke Express तो like it's very common, but Adi's like my mom suggested. Again she wanted my like this place to be on my name. So ऐसा a week we took for coming up to this name. बहुत सारे Adi's Kitchen, but I'm like here being known as Adi's Kitchen. It's not Adi's Dine In and Takeout, it's Adi's Kitchen. So of course लक्ष्मण के साथ मैंने जब बात किया about Misrit, I was like, what is Misrit? And then he came up with saying कि it's a mixture of all business. It's a Sanskrit word if I'm not wrong. So Misrit has been with me like for at least a month now, and still haven't got any orders. ये cut कर देना. But I hope we go along and get this business to the right place. Of course, when it comes to writing down replies for our customers, or again setting up or curating a menu, like writing descriptions for your Zomato ke items, AI has definitely helped me with all these stuff. Yeah, of course. When it comes to taking feedbacks or sending out notes on like Zomato ka orders, I personally call them up and I ask them ki Baba, at least let us know how was your experience with our food. If you would like to come down to the restaurant and have the food, that will be great. Perfect.
Perfect.
Thank you, boss.